Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can set reminders for your tasks and projects on Monday.com so that you may get notified or your workspace members get notified whenever a task is getting close to its due date. So let us get started and get you through this, guys. It is actually pretty simple. So let us get you through this. Head over to Monday.com, log into your account, and in the first step, select your workspace here on the left panel by clicking on that arrow down icon. So let me go with that workspace for demonstration purposes. After that, select one of your projects or boards below you would like to set reminders for. So let me go with that wedding planner. You can go with any other project, but I'm going to go with that one here. So here to the right, you will see a list of all of your tasks and groups listed in a table. You may of course switch to the calendar view, Gantt view, or by clicking on the plus icon also to charts and to a table and so on and so forth. For the sake of this tutorial, let us stick to that overview or list here with these tasks divided into to do, completed, in progress. So guys, for the sake of this tutorial, let us create reminders for due dates for to-do tasks here under to-do group. So this is how you can do it. Let me just, for example, expand that task here, prepare a guest list for the given wedding. As you can see, it features a subtask or sub-item, send invitations. And now I would like to get notified, let's say, I don't know, a month upfront or a week or 2 weeks before the due date to finish and to complete the given task, and let also my assignees working on the given task get notified so that they may, for example, speed up their efforts and get the task done on time or on schedule. So this is how you can do it, guys. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that the given task has a due date here under due date. If it doesn't feature any due date, guys, simply click on that cell here under that column or in that column due date, click into it and set a due date. Like, for instance, let me change that due date for that subtask from 19th August to let's move it forward into the future to October 2025, let's say October 14th, just like that. So now that subtask features a due date as well as all other task feature ones. So this is how you can do it, guys. There's actually no way how we can add a reminder directly here to due dates as a separate column. If I, for example, click on these 3 dots next to due date, there won't be any reminder option. But there is another way how we can overcome this, guys. What we will need to do is set a rule for due dates. This is how you can do it, guys. What you will need to do is click on automate here at the top and create a rule. To do that, click into that search bar here and type in notifications, for example, just like that. So let me do that really quickly. And you can choose from these notification related rules here. Start with the basics, for example, when a status changes or when a due date is about to arrive, to notify someone. This is exactly what reminders do. So what you want to do is click on use template here below, and after that customize your reminder as a rule for your entire workspace, which means basically, guys, once you have set up that rule, it will be in effect for all of your tasks in your workspace and notify the given tasks assignees of the due date that is about to arrive up front. So start by clicking on when date here, and after that click into that date below and decide how much upfront or how much time or days or weeks upfront you would like to remind or notify your assignees. So let me go, for example, with 14 days, which is basically, or let's leave that 1 and switch from days to weeks. So in this case here, we would simply notify our assignees 2 weeks up front. That should be enough. You may also go with 4 weeks, for example, a month, or switch back to 1 and then switch to a month here. That's totally up to you. Let us set it to 2 weeks up front. That should suffice. And make sure that here the notification is set to before, of course, because you want to notify your assignees before the due date, not afterwards. So choose before here, before the date arrives, and you may also choose a time of the day, like, I don't know, 10 a.m. in the morning. Click off and next click into date here. And that's where you choose the specific column, guys. That's why I told you before that these notifications and reminders refer to these columns in your to-do list and to the given task. So if you want the given task's due date to be the reference date for that notification, make sure that you select the right column, which in this case here would be the due date start date, which will be basically the first day of the due date. Click off, and next click into notify and simply type in your notification a message to personalize it. Like for example, hey folks, this task is getting close to its due date. Due date is about to arrive on a specific date, for example. You may also add something like, I don't know, speed up your work efforts, or I don't know, something like that. So be creative here, guys, and leave a message as a notification, a reminder for your assignees, just like that. To speed this up, you may also use these board items below, like for example, to give an assignee's username, the group name, the board name, the status, the due date, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, guys, click on done here, and after that click on someone here and decide who you would like to notify with these reminders. So if you'd like to notify your entire team, simply go through that list and add each one of your team members. And that's basically it. And then, for example, guys, you may also add more of these rules and automations in addition to that notification. For example, if you'd like to move the given task or item from one status or from one group to another once the notification has been sent and the due date is about to arrive. So you may, for example, change the status from, I don't know, urgent to extremely urgent or something like that, and give Monday.com the command to change the status of the given task automatically once the given notification and reminder has been sent out to your assignees or coworkers. So you may do that as well, of course, if you like, guys, and add a rule or automation like this and customize it according to your own imagination and taste. Now, let me remove that one because I don't need it right now. And in the final step, guys, make sure that you click on create automation here, and that is going to set up that notification rule or automation for your entire workspace and all of your tasks and their due dates with the set notification date here, like 2 weeks before, 1 week before, and so on and so forth, guys. Just make sure in the final step that, of course, your assignees or the specific assignees are assigned to the given task so that they may receive also the given notification and may get notified of the given task's upcoming due date. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. As you can see, no rocket science. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.